Have you ever gotten home from vacation and felt like you needed another vacation? Because that's exactly how I feel right now. We just got back from a week at the beach, and while everyone else was relaxing, my brain was thinking all about type 1 diabetes. If you're new here, I'm Jeff the Glucose Guy. I'm not a doctor, just a dad raising a son living with type 1 diabetes. And this vacation, I learned something I wasn't quite expecting. When most people go to the beach, they think about sunscreen, towels, and where they're going to set up. I was thinking, is the insulin cool enough? Is sand getting into his infusion set? He's been swimming for a while, is he starting to drop? Should I check his CGM or just let him be a kid? We did all the things we were supposed to. We packed extra supplies, backup insulin, we kept his pump in a cooler whenever he wasn't wearing it. It helped protect the insulin from the heat and gave me a little peace of mind, but only for a little. Because I quickly realized that the hardest part of vacation isn't the heat, it isn't the sand, it isn't even all the extra planning. It's the unknown. As parents of kids with type 1 diabetes, we're always trying to stay one step ahead. We're constantly asking ourselves, what if? Then on our last day there, my wife came to me and said something that I really needed to hear. She said, "Why do you worry all the time? You know what to do." And that really stuck with me because she's right. The truth is, we're never going to know what's coming next. Type 1 diabetes doesn't work that way. Our job isn't to predict what happens next. It's to respond when it gets here. So prepare for the unknown. Pack the extra supplies, bring the backup insulin, stock up on your low snacks. Then allow yourself to be present. Watch your kids run in the waves, help build a sandman, and take that family picture. Because if you're always thinking about what's next, like I did, it's easy to miss what's right in front of you.